Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is neural network. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is neural network? A neural network is a method in artificial intelligence or AI that teaches computers to process data in a way that is inspired by the human brain. It is a type of machine learning or ML process called deep learning that uses interconnected nodes or neurons in a layered structure that resembles the human brain. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is neural network is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.